everyone! In this video, we're going to learn how to start conversations in English. Sometimes it can be a little scary to talk to people, especially in a new language. But don't worry. We'll give you simple phrases and ideas to help you start talking in any situation. We'll learn how to talk to new people, friends, and even informal places. Let's make learning English fun and easy. Part 1. Simple greetings and introductions. When you meet someone new, the first thing you need to do is say, "Hello." Here are some easy ways to greet people. Hello. This is a very common and friendly greeting. Hi. This is a more casual and informal greeting. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Use these greetings depending on the time of day. After you say hello, you can introduce yourself. My name is, for example, my name is Allie. I am Sarah. Then you can ask the other person their name. What is your name? And you? After you have said your name. Example, you. Hello, my name is Fatima. Other person. Hi, Fatima. My name is David. You. Nice to meet you, David. David. Nice to meet you too, Fatima. Part 2. Starting a conversation with simple questions. Now that you've introduced yourself, you can start a conversation with some simple questions. How are you? This is a very common question to ask. You can answer with, I'm good, I'm fine, or I'm great. How are you doing? This is similar to, how are you? Where are you from? This is a good question to ask if you want to learn more about someone. What do you do? This means, what is your job? Or, what do you study? What did you do today? This is a great way to start a casual conversation. Example, you. Hi, how are you? Other person. I'm good, thank you. How are you? You. I'm fine. Where are you from? Other person. I'm from Canada. You. Oh, that's interesting. Part 3. Talking about the weather. Talking about the weather is a very common way to start a conversation. It's easy and everyone can understand it. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? The weather is very hot, cold today. It's raining, sunny, windy. Do you think it will rain, snow? Example, you. It's a beautiful day, isn't it? Other person. Yes, it is. I love sunny days. You. Me too. Part 4. Finding common interests. To keep the conversation going, try to find things you have in common. For example, do you like coffee? Or do you like movies? Do you like? For example, what kind of music do you like? Or what kind of food do you like? Have you seen, read, tried? For example, have you seen that new movie? Or have you tried that new restaurant? Example, you. Do you like music? Other person. Yes, I do. I like pop music. You. Oh, me too. What kind of pop music do you like? Part 5. Starting conversations in different places. Let's look at how to start conversations in different places. In a cafe. Excuse me, is this seat taken? That coffee smells delicious. What kind is it? Do you come here often? At a party. Hi, I don't think we've met. This music is great, isn't it? How do you know the host? At a bus stop, train station. Is this bus train going to? Do you know what time the next bus train arrives? It's a long wait, isn't it? At a store. Excuse me, where can I find? That looks interesting. Have you tried it? Can you tell me more about this? At school work. How was your weekend? Did you understand the homework assignment? What do you think of the new project? Part 6. Formal conversations. Sometimes you need to start a conversation in a formal setting, like at a meeting or with a teacher. Excuse me, I have a question about good morning. Afternoon, I would like to introduce myself. Thank you for your time. I appreciate your help. It's a pleasure to meet you. Example. You. Good morning, Professor Smith. I have a question about the assignment. Professor Smith. Good morning. Yes, what is your question? Part 7. Keeping the conversation going. Once you've started a conversation, you need to keep it going. Listen carefully. Pay attention to what the other person is saying. Ask follow-up questions. Ask questions related to what they said. Share your own experiences. Tell stories or share your opinions. Use body language. Smile and make eye contact. Be polite and respectful. Always be kind and considerate. Part 8. Ending the conversation. When it's time to end the conversation, do it politely. It was nice talking to you. I have to go now, but I enjoyed our conversation. See you later. Have a good day. Example. You. It was nice talking to you, David. I have to go now. David. It was nice talking to you too, Fatima. Have a good day. Conclusion. What we learned today. In this video, we learned how to start conversations in English. We learned simple greetings and introductions, how to ask simple questions, how to talk about the weather, how to find common interests, how to start conversations in different places, how to have formal conversations, how to keep a conversation going, how to end a conversation politely. Remember, practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. The more you practice, the more confident you will become. Keep practicing and you will be able to start conversations in any situation. Good luck and have fun learning English.